In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an invoice number in Xero. This process is part of managing your invoicing efficiently within the Xero accounting platform, ensuring that your financial documents are correctly numbered and easy to track. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into your Xero account, head over to the Xero login page, and enter your credentials. This will take you directly to your personal Xero dashboard, where all your financial tools are at your fingertips. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu options and click on Business. From there, select Invoices. This selection will open up a comprehensive list displaying all your draft, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. This overview helps you quickly locate the invoice that you intend to edit. Next, you need to find the invoice that requires a number change. You can either scroll through the list or use the handy filters or search bar to locate it faster. Once you've identified it, click on the invoice to open it up for editing. At this point, you must check the status of the invoice. It's crucial to note that invoice numbers can only be altered if the invoice is still in draft form. If the invoice has already been approved or payment has been processed, you'll have a couple of options. You can void it or create a copy of that invoice. Once voided or copied, you can proceed to create a new invoice with your desired number. Assuming your invoice is still a draft, you can move on to editing the invoice number. Look for the invoice number field, which is typically located at the top of the invoice form. Click on the field and enter any preferred number you wish to assign to this particular invoice. After editing, if it's still in draft, hit Save to update the information, or Approve if you're ready for it to become a finalized document. Finally, if you want Xero to automatically follow a new numbering sequence for future invoices, here's what you can do. Navigate again to Business, then Invoices, and click New Invoice. In the new invoice form, type in your preferred starting number, like INV 2001. With this new format set up, Xero will automatically continue this sequencing for all upcoming invoices, streamlining your financial documentation process. And there you have it. You now know how to change an invoice number in Xero, ensuring your records are organized exactly as you'd like. Remember, maintaining a consistent sequence is vital for keeping your financial documents in order, so it's a great practice to set this up early on. Thanks for watching and happy